Good morning from Pop Century. We're going to the Skyliner and going to Epcot.
On our way to Epcot.
And we're looking at some really dark clouds.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain this afternoon, so we'll see how that goes.
So today we are focusing on more food and countries, and we actually have a lightning lane for Frozen when we get there. So I think we'll probably go to Norway first.
Yep.
I'm gonna get a Viking coffee for the first time. I'm excited. We're at Kringla Bakery. Brandon got the Mickey Cinnamon Roll, which looks so good. Sorry, there's a lot of chairs being dragged around. And I got the Viking coffee, which has Bailey's in it. And I got it frozen. Very excited to try this finally. Been talking about this one for years. So if you like coffee ice cream, you will like the frozen Viking coffee in Norway. These chairs. It's very, very strong. I will warn you. You can see all the Baileys at the bottom. It's strong. So it's raining a lot. We did not get to our lightning lane for test track because of the rain. We had our ponchos. We're in line for Living with the Land now. It's posted 30 minutes. We'll see how long it is. I'll let you guys know. All right, it took about 21 minutes.
Posted 30?
Touring plane said 11, but they weren't accounting for rain, I don't think. And we're about to get nailed with another thunderstorm. So it's been a bit. We're back in the land, heading to Soarin'. We went and got a Fruit Loop shake. I'll put up a picture here. It was all right. It was very Instagrammable. We'll put it at that. Tastes like Fruit Loop cereal water, pretty much. But we have a lightning lane for Soarin', so we're gonna go get on that. And then we have to head into the countries because we have a reservation at Via Napoli for like 1:45, I think. Yeah, so we're just gonna, And we have a multi-experience pass right now because of Test Track getting closed earlier. So whenever that goes back up, which should be soon, we can basically run to it any time. We don't have a time for it. We can just hit it whenever it's open. So fingers crossed it doesn't start raining again. All right, we are done Soarin'. We are heading over to Test Track. It's back up and running, and it is not sunny out, but it's not raining. So we're gonna go do that really fast, and then we're going to head into the countries for Remy's. We have a lightning lane for that, and then we have lunch. So spend the afternoon in the countries, and it's a 40% chance of rain at 3, so fingers crossed that goes away. This is our car. Can I turn it? Oh yeah. Brandon thinks I basically just made a Chevy Spark. We are sprinting to Italy. Sprinting as I'm literally walking. The test track got a little bit delayed while we were in line, so we now have a reservation that we need to get to. And we have about 10 minutes to do it. So this time, we're gonna get a personal pizza to split, because last time we ordered a large.
It was way too much.
It's large.
It's huge.
Alright, we got the personal size. This is how big it is. This is my hand for reference. It's pretty big. We just got cheese. Comes our mouse. right, we got the La Vie en Rose frozen slush from France. This is from their booth. It's for the festival specifically. We got this one in 2019 and it was delicious. But they changed the cups. The cups are deeper now. I like these better.
Yeah, bring these tomorrow. I got them for town too.
It's been pouring, by the way. Can you tell?
It's raining again.
It was really nice, and we had our lunch and we came out, we were walking, and then we went on Remy. We came out, we're like, oh, it's sprinkling.
And then it poured.
And then it...
Typical Florida weather. I mean,
Yeah.
if you've been to Florida, you know, it can change just like that. All of a sudden it's pouring rain, and then it's gone. And now it's just...
And we're going to Spaceship
fun,
Earth
but-
after this, so hopefully it doesn't pick up again while we're walking there. Did you just dump that down yourself?
No,
Oh.
the table is dripping on my foot.
Oh. We're headed back to the resort for a minute. Gonna grab some warmer clothes for tonight because it's supposed to get into the 60s and it's still raining, as you can see. It's raining a lot.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Now get ready to travel back in time and enter the animated world of Disney. We are on our way to Disney's
Just leave it like that, that's fine.
Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
These are ready. Headed to Spaceship Earth to use our, no, just a lightning lane. Yeah, lightning lane. Feeling recharged from earlier. And after this, we're gonna head back and start doing some walking around the countries finally. Hopefully the rain holds off. So I got the poppy flower margarita over by Mexico at their booth. Salt with brim is a lot, but you can get past that. Hang on. Oh, very good. Very light, very fruity. He got it.
Got my Fiesta Margarita.
Mmm,
Strawberry, lime, and mango.
yummy.
It's very good.
They didn't give you a straw?
They're over there, but they're the paper ones, so
No,
they're
yeah.
not even worth it.
Guys, we understand they save the planet, but you can't drink a frozen drink with
They
them.
need the straws that they have on Royal
The
Caribbean.
big ones, yes,
They're much thicker or much rounder,
yes,
so they actually can suck a frozen drink.
yeah. All right, we're gonna get this warm toasted pretzel bread at the Germany booth. Let's try it out. All right, here she is. I just showed them it on the sign. It was $5.75.
Yeah,
You want to try it first?
that's good too. Did you get us forks or anything?
Oh no, I just figured we could rip it.
Looks good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
It's nice and warm?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. All right, Brandon attempted to get a spiked Arnold Palmer, but the machine's down. So he got the lovely moonshine sour.
Yeah.
Still very good.
Yeah. #1 selling drink at Epcot, the guy said.
That doesn't surprise me. It is.
Nope.
It is a
It
fave.
is really, really good.
I might have to take a sip.
You can take a sip.
I didn't get one because I'm gonna get a violet sake, but I thought about it.
I can go back up and get you one.
No, it's okay. It'll hurt my belly if I.
All right.
They are really sour. I have to say, there's a lot of sour mixed in them.
There is, yeah.
I got the violet sake in Japan. Brandon got, well, we already showed his moonshine sour. We walked through the America Pavilion. I had never been inside. I don't know how that happened, but I had never been inside.
Yeah, I don't know. We've gone in the gift shop. But
Yeah, I'd never been in the big building.
we didn't even go in when we came in 2019
Mm-mm.
because we haven't seen the Soul exhibit.
Was it open? Oh, right.
Pretty sure Soul was open in 2019 too.
It might have been after that, but we didn't go in the last 2 times we've been here.
Right.
2021. We came twice,
Right.
and we didn't go either time.
All right, Kaylee got the crepe with
Cream of brie.
crepe of brie.
No, cream of brie crepe
Cream of brie crepe.
in France.
Sorry, we're walking to Soren as we film this, so it's good.
We're the last people on Soren of the day.
Right,
We just made
it. It was 9 o'clock.
we ran.
The tape behind us.
We literally ran. We made it. We're walking the boardwalk.
Yeah, there's a big line for the Skyliner, so we figured we'd just kill some time and walk around the boardwalk because it's better than staying in line.
Yeah, we have 45 minutes until they stop running the Skyliner. So we have to watch that, but figured we would just come down and check everything out. And we're walking right now through the boardwalk hotel, inn, resort, boardwalk resort. It's late, I don't know.
I don't know.
So over there's the dance hall. We're gonna get up close to it in a minute. And then there's a few other cool places. Brandon and I talked about going out to dinner down here, but we didn't get to do that because we just didn't have time.
Right.
Which is crazy considering we're here so many nights, but we just did not have time.
So much time in the parks. It's
Yeah.
hard to get time out of them.
It's hard to not want to be in the parks all
Right.
the time when you don't.
And when you have a park pass, you're spending so much money on the park pass that
Right.
you want to spend all day in the park.
Exactly, and it's reservation. So
We feel bad leaving the park for an hour to go back to the resort to change or get a change of clothes or whatever. I'm like,
Right.
oh man, we're missing an hour and a half in the park. But
right. Okay, so sorry, I misspoke. This is the boardwalk, which is all these buildings with stuff below them. What we just walked through before was the yacht club. But they are right next to each other, so kind of interchangeable, but you know. And this is like a very, very cool atmosphere.